Dyson products help to protect against damage thanks to their intelligent heat control system, which is in all three of our personal care products. So in the Dyson Supersonic and the Dyson Airwrap, the intelligent heat control system will check the temperature of your device over 40 times per second. So as you're styling, it will monitor it and regulate it to make sure that it never goes above the heat setting that you have chosen. In the Dyson Corral, the integrated sensor system will check the temperature of the plates 100 times a second to make sure, again, that they never go above the temperature that you have chosen to style your hair at. Also, the flexing plates in the Dyson Corral help to get enhanced styling with less of a reliance on heat.